I use this indicator to represent 3 other professional traders who have 6 years' worth of market experience. It's so effective that even other pro traders were left in shock. Get ready to be surprised by this game-changing indicator's strength. With this tool, you'll have an unfair advantage of winning trades in the market. You won't ever again miss a winning opportunity because to its incredible power. It's like having a personal trading coach by your side, steering you toward profitable trades. You'll be able to spot trend reversals, make accurate predictions, and execute trades with confidence. We won't only show you the signal. From installation to advanced techniques, we'll show you how to master it. We'll walk you through every step. You'll learn how to interpret its signals based on the patterns the indicator has generated and seize every profitable signal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you'll learn the skills and information needed to perform better than the competition and succeed consistently in the markets. Make sure you watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. Keep in mind that every trade is an opportunity for you to advance toward your goals in life. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and let your passion for trading drive you towards unparalleled success. Consequently, let's begin right now. After entering Trading View, click on the Indicators tab. Find the Phenom indicator at the top of this page, created by Tuxedo Mask. When the indicator loads, you'll notice some green and red lines dancing alongside the candles on the chart. These lines show several specially set exponential moving averages. According to the author, Phenom is a simple yet highly effective tool for trading using moving averages. This indicator's built-in ATR-based risk management system makes it even more potent. Now you might be thinking, moving averages are okay, but what's the big deal? Well, buckle. Increasing as more indicators are added to our chart, the true magic of this strategy will be revealed. Moving averages have an interesting property. The price of the market tends to return back to them over time. Just wait until it reverses then, and that's precisely what we'll leverage to capture some amazing trades. So let's add a further statistic to our chart for maximum potential. Go ahead and click on the Indicators tab. Again, find the basic reversal point indication. Once you add the first indicator and patiently wait for the chart to refresh, you'll notice some eye-catching hammer and bomb emojis marking signal entries. The hammer emoji indicates a bearish reversal. The bomb emoji at the bottom denotes a bullish reversal. These visual cues will help us identify potential entry points with ease. The real magic begins when we combine both of these remarkable indicators. You need to pay attention carefully and finish this crucial learning task. Buy setup. To enter a buy trade, observe the Phenom indication. When it moves far away from the middle white moving average, it creates a significant amount of red cloud background. It's time to pay attention. Wait for the market price to drop below the Phenom indicator. Once these criteria are satisfied, a signal marked with a bomb emoji will appear. This signal indicates a potential bullish reversal is approaching, presenting an opportunity to enter your trade. Let's discuss about selling after the sell setup. Sell signals work in the opposite way compared to buy setups. Look for the green lines to move away from the middle white line. Watch for a hammer indication to arrive after that. When you notice it, place a trade on a new candle as you watch for a market reversal. While competing with my friendly pro trader using this strategy instead of chasing long trend reversals, I concentrated on profiting from rapid scalping trades. And let me tell you, it worked like a charm. Imagine this, based on a particular candle, we'll examine a signal and start a trade. Our profit target will be 50 points. Sounds easy, right? Well, the target is hit in a few of minutes, and voila, profit in your pocket. I also have several examples similar to this one that are all geared at earning those satisfying 50 points. Now let's talk about minimizing risk. Since we're aiming for smaller profit targets, the smallest stop loss is what we are looking to use. It's all about keeping that risk factor at bay for optimal results. I recommend employing a dynamic stop loss strategy, which means setting it at the open of the previous candle. Look at this signal as example. We entered the trade here and placed our stop loss there. Our profit target remains at 50 points. As you probably already knew, check out this another sell example. The hammer signal is issued in the perfect entry position. We opened trade on fresh candle and marked stop loss of the open of previous candle. candle, the market will shortly reach our 50-point target. Here's another example to showcase a perfect buy setup. A good distance separates the price from all EMA with a red background. We will open our trade at this bomb emoji on fresh candle. 50 points will be our target, and the open of the preceding candle will serve as our stop loss. Practice this strategy on demo accounts using the rules and strategy explained in the video. Soon you'll become a master. In next video, I will show another secret indicator added to this setup, which makes it usable on any time period and raises its accuracy to 95%. But for that, you'll need to subscribe our channel or you'll miss it. Don't give up. If you are losing money when trading, use this strategy. It will soon make you unimaginable amount of profit. Remember to follow rules and money management. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more effective and free ideas. If you have any strategy you are willing to share, write it in the comment box or mail it to me in the address given in description. Hope you've learned something new. Goodbye.